Module 1. The purpose of money. Before we talk about growing money, we need to understand what money actually is and why it exists. This might seem basic, but trust me, understanding these fundamentals will help you make much better financial decisions. Money isn't just pieces of paper or numbers in your bank account. It's a tool that has evolved over thousands of years to solve very specific problems. Let's go back in time and see how it all started. Before money existed, people used the barter system. If I had rice and wanted shoes, I had to find someone who had shoes and wanted rice. Imagine how difficult that was. What if the shoemaker wanted wheat, not rice? Then I'd have to find someone with wheat who wanted rice, trade with them first, and then go back to the shoemaker. This was called the double coincidence of wants problem. It was incredibly inefficient. In Indian villages, this system existed for thousands of years. And you can imagine how much time people wasted just trying to make simple trades. So people got smart. They started using certain items that everyone valued. Things like gold, silver, shells, and in India, even cattle and spices were used. This was indirect barter. If everyone accepts gold, I can trade my rice for gold and then use that gold to buy shoes. Much better. Eventually, this evolved into coins. India had some of the earliest coins in the world, dating back to the 6th century BCE. Then came paper money, and now we have digital money in our bank accounts, UPI apps like Google Pay and PhonePe. The form changed, but the purpose remained the same. So what does money actually do? 3 things. First, it's a medium of exchange. You can use it to buy anything without the hassles of barter. Second, it's a store of value. You can save it today and use it tomorrow, next year, or decades later. Third, it's a unit of account. It helps us measure and compare the value of different things. Is a phone worth more than a bicycle? Money helps us answer that. These 3 functions are why money is so central to our lives. But here's the problem. Money isn't perfect at all 3 functions. Here's the problem that most people don't fully appreciate. Money is supposed to store value, right? But in reality, it doesn't do a great job at this. Why? Inflation. Every year, prices go up. On average, about 6% in India. That means the 100 rupees in your pocket today will only buy you 94 rupees worth of stuff next year. And the year after that, even less. If your grandfather had put 1,000 rupees under his mattress 30 years ago, that same 1,000 rupees today would buy a fraction of what it could back then. This is why just saving money isn't enough. Let me show you how serious this is with real Indian data. In 1990, 1 lakh rupees could buy you a decent flat in many Indian cities. Today, that same flat might cost 50 lakhs or more. Gold that cost 3,000 rupees per 10 grams in 1990 now costs over 1 lakh rupees. A cup of chai that cost 2 rupees is now 15 to 20 rupees. Your money is constantly losing purchasing power. If you're just keeping money in a savings account, earning 3 to 4%, you're actually getting poorer every year in real terms. This is why you must invest to beat inflation and grow your wealth. And that brings us to Module 2. Let's recap Module 1. Money evolved from barter to solve the double coincidence of wants problem. It serves 3 functions: a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. But inflation, averaging 6% in India, constantly erodes the purchasing power of money. This is the fundamental reason why you cannot just save. You must invest to maintain at least, if not grow, your wealth. Now let's see exactly how much difference investing makes in Module 2.